flying out of the Eddie, fucking on shoulder, she better cause she will come when I edit. I mean, I'm better than better, maybe I'm
got it in. Jack took a tumble, but Jesus, it's really hard to move. This whole rim is fucking.
The time lapse is fire.
Is fucked up. Fork is obviously Alex Smith's femur, so we got to figure out a way to hoist this thing up because we want to take off this front end today, but let's see.
Fuel box.
So this one broke, but see these 4 little things? So what the guy was saying was you can't really push that. I used a pick and I just pushed each one in at a time like that.
And pulled out on the line a little
Pulled on
bit.
the line. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one broke.
Looks like that one broke, yeah.
It may be alright. We can replace that.
Show the lines.
And you just pop these out.
Yeah, baby.
The guy on YouTube, there's a Ducati video, and the lines are already disconnected, and he's just showing you the elbows, and it doesn't help because he has nothing in the way. He can just pop them out. So I would use a pick and just try to. It's easier with 2 people too, because someone can hold the tank for you.
You couldn't slide these down and pull it off?
No, these are crimped on. I thought they were like the ones you could squeeze.
Yeah.
They're not.
It's kind of dumb.
Yeah, that's the Italians. Gotta love the Italians.
Is that it?
Yeah, you can shut that. I'm gonna take the front end off.
Headlight trim.
Got the tank off. The front caliper off. It looks alright. Just needing. Obviously, this broke off the forks. Label and everything. Baggies.
Getting weird out here.
Getting freaking weird.
No effings, okay?
No more effings. I'm gonna say freakings.
Guys, no more freaking effings for us.
It's about as much as we can do right now. We need to hoist this up to get these forks off. And we're waiting on a rear stand that I ordered 2.5 weeks ago. But we got the tank off.
We didn't know we were going to Texas yesterday.
Yeah. This is broken, unfortunately. We knew that though from the pictures. Stock exhaust. This is all broken mounts. Windshield, mudguard, it's all garbage. Tank is gonna get resprayed. We're thinking black on black on black. Some carbon fiber.
Some sauce.
So, just gotta get all of this off up here. That fork fucking snapped.
Look, I guess that it's different. Maybe that's why you can't hang. Maybe that's why I'm distant.
cause we're not on the same page.